To secure AWS Amplify OAuth configuration, start by understanding the basics of OAuth and AWS Amplify. OAuth is an authorization framework that allows applications to access resources on behalf of a user without sharing passwords. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. First, set up an AWS Amplify project and install the required dependencies, including the AWS Amplify CLI and the OAuth library. Next, configure the OAuth settings in the AWS Amplify configuration file, specifying the authorization endpoint, token endpoint, and other required settings. To secure the OAuth configuration, use environment variables to store sensitive information, such as client IDs and client secrets. This prevents hardcoding sensitive information in the code and reduces the risk of exposure. Use a secrets manager, such as AWS Secrets Manager, to securely store and retrieve sensitive information. Implement authentication and authorization mechanisms to control access to resources. Use AWS IAM roles and policies to define permissions and access levels for users and applications. Configure the OAuth flow to use HTTPS and TLS encryption to protect data in transit. Additionally, implement security best practices, such as validating user input, handling errors and exceptions, and monitoring and logging security-related events. Use AWS security services, such as AWS Cognito and AWS IAM, to provide an additional layer of security and protection. To further enhance security, use OAuth scopes to limit access to specific resources and data. Configure the OAuth token expiration and refresh mechanisms to ensure that tokens are rotated regularly and do not remain valid indefinitely. By following these steps and best practices, you can secure your AWS Amplify OAuth configuration and protect your applications and data from unauthorized access. Regularly review and update your security configuration to ensure that it remains effective and aligned with the latest security standards and best practices.